How to earn money using WhatsApp. WhatsApp offers various services tailored for businesses, like WhatsApp Business. This software helps companies manage customer interactions and automate tasks. It also allows businesses to create custom catalogs and accept payments directly through WhatsApp, reducing costs and increasing sales. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. 2. Digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or digital artwork through WhatsApp. 3. Consulting services. Offer your expertise in a specific field and provide consultations through WhatsApp. 4. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands and promote their products or services to your WhatsApp contacts. 5. Freelancing. Use WhatsApp to find freelance gigs and offer your services to clients. With over 2 billion monthly active users, WhatsApp has immense potential for earning money. Explore these different ways to monetize your WhatsApp usage and start generating passive income today.